Hi everyone, so I'm Alan Yu from Bit Academy, and right now I would like to show you about if your advertising shows some error, reject issue or restrictions, actually you will receive it in your, in the notifications. All right, after you click, it will be bring you to the Ads Manager account that's showing you the warning. If no, actually the Ads Manager will show you the warning as well, but you have to manually find it out. So you can click here to visit the Ads Manager. This is the first way. And the second way actually is right here, menu. You can choose your right, scroll down Ads Manager right here or your Business Manager. I'm not sure what is the where is it get the rejections, okay? Because different account you are facing the different issue. So right now actually is my ads campaign rejected and it show error. So I have to visit the Ads Manager. It's either right here or right here. Okay, if your Ads Manager doesn't appear right here, the second place for you to visit is right here. So you just click Ads Manager. Let us wait for it. All right, and I changed my ads manager because I have many ads manager. And for your case, I believe you can choose it right here. It would be the same. So you can see this one actually is the ad set errors. You click into the ads campaign, the blue wordings, and click the blue wordings again, and you can choose edit. It show rejected. So you choose edit. It's loading, please wait. Okay, it's loading right here. You have to wait for it. It will be loading your ads poster and the content. Right, the warning actually will be appear right here. So you have to wait for it. It will be appear right here. Just wait, be patient. All right, so this is the reason. You have to read the reasons, okay? What is the message? Please read and then analyze what is the problems. Analyze what is the key points they want to mention. Example, this one actually is mentioned about the advertising can't run. So you have to update the ad. The ad disable is because this page isn't allowed to advertise, which means the page error. So I have to submit appeal for this page. So click see details. All the warning actually will be allow you to see details or submit requests in 30 days. So you have to do it. You have to do it in 30 days, right? And this, if there's any notifications or the information asks you to read, actually you can read it if you want. If no, actually you can show later. So these are the restrictions that is related to my personal account. You can see there are three restrictions, but the one I want to settle now actually is this one, which is the BRJ sub row. All right, so click in and it will be showing this. Okay, it will be showing this. You have to confirm your identity. Then after they confirm your identity, then you can request review. Okay, so the first thing I need to settle now is confirm the identity. You must do this step, okay, because they worry about your account being hacked or someone else using your account to do some illegal things, issues. So you have to do this. Next, you can upload the image. You can get the IC and upload the image right here. Okay, so after you upload, then you have to wait for 1 or 2 days. Facebook will send you a notifications. Then you can check after they confirm your identity. You have to go back. Okay, you have to restart the flow I teach you just now, which find your ads manager account, find the ads campaign, and then go to check the warning message. Click the warning message. It will be bring you to this page. Or optional way, please save this link. please right click, copy, okay? Highlight the whole message, right click and copy the link and save it in a notepad or message to yourself, or WhatsApp to yourself, okay? So after 2 days, please click the link again and double check whether is it confirmed the identity already. Yes, if done, then you click request review. After request review, same. You have to save the link to wait for the answer. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial and see you later. Please remember subscribe my channel and follow my page. Goodbye.